two gonna be done soon?
Sorry, but we need to practice hand-to-hand combat in case an enemy knocks the laser guns out of our hands and they slide way across the room.
Well, could you do it someplace else? I'm setting up Seymour's doggy bed.
Okay.
Ow!
Heel, boy! Heel! Oh, hello, Fry. I guess I didn't notice you there. I'm having such fun with my new best friend, Robo Puppy.
That's nice.
I was just out walking him. Yes, you can walk him. Of course, after he goes, you have to refill the canisters. Come here, boy. Pet, pet, pet.
Robo Puppy receiving petting.
Bender, are you jealous of Fry's puppy? That's so adorable.
Jealous? Bah! Not when I have the love of Robo Puppy here. Robo Puppy, lick my cheek.
Robo Puppy preparing to lick cheek. Robo Puppy commencing cheek licking. Licking in progress. Licking complete.
Robo Puppy truly is Robot's best friend, huh?
There, perfect.
Good news, everyone. The Clonomat is ready.
Yay!
Finally.
Robo Puppy commencing 2-hour yipping session. Robo Puppy mistreatment alert. Robo Puppy mistreatment alert.